everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen here in the UK, where today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a really delicious dish. It's one I've done before and it's one I'll do again. It's a chicken and smoky bacon jambalaya. So flavoursome, so tasty. You can have it for an evening meal, midweek meal or a special meal on a Saturday night. So let's not waste any time, we'll get started with this recipe. We're going to need some chicken. I've got one whole chicken breast here, quite a large one, and cut into cubes, about an inch big. And I've done the same with some smoked bacon. I've got 3 rashers here, and cut up about the same size, and 1 whole green pepper. I've taken out the pith, we don't want that in there. A cup of long grain rice. We need some of this stuff. Thyme, about 1 teaspoonful. We need some tomatoes, 1 can, chopped up. A couple of cloves of garlic. We need some prawns. I've got about a cupful here. They're ready cooked prawns, so we're going to put those in last. Some stock. I've got 250 millilitres of beef stock and 250 millilitres of chicken stock. 1 whole white onion that's been sliced. And of course we're going to need a little bit of heat in there. And I've chosen this stuff, sriracha, really tasty and really hot. Some seasoning, I've got some black pepper, and we're going to put in some sea salt too. So in a heavy base pan on the hob, medium heat, we've got some butter and we've got some oil. Pop in our chicken breast. Now we want to get this browned all over, so it's got the all the pinkness has gone, if you like, and then we can add the bacon in with this smoked bacon. That's going to give a really lovely taste to the whole jambalaya. So we let this cook down a little bit and get soft. In we go with our sliced onions. In we go with our green pepper. Mix these together, get them coated in the oil and butter, and let them soften down just a bit, not too much. Once that's done, we'll give them a little mix, and then we can add our garlic. In that goes. We don't want to put that in too soon. You know what it's like, it gets a little bit burnt, and we don't want that now, do we? In we go with the rice. Seems a bit strange, doesn't it? But what we want to do, we want to get this coated in the butter and oil. It will make all the difference with a finished dish. So after that's done, then we can go in with the tomatoes, with a can of tomatoes, which I've cut up in the can with a very sharp knife. Pop that in, and then I'm going to swish out the can with some water. Don't want to waste any of those little tomato juices that get trapped in the bottom. Then we can go in with our herb. I'm using thyme. I'm using 1 teaspoonful. You can add a little bit more, a little bit less, completely up to you and your taste buds. There we go. This is our sriracha. I'm using about 1 teaspoon. Don't want it too hot. We just want that little gentle background heat, if you know what I mean. So in that goes. And then we can put in our chicken stock. And of course our beef stock. Doesn't matter which way round. Some seasoning, some sea salt. And then of course we need some freshly cracked black pepper. I love that black pepper, don't you guys? It's amazing. Then it's on with the lid, and we're going to let this cook down for about 45 minutes. Then we can pop in our prawns. Now remember, these are already pre-cooked, so basically they've just got to be in there a little while to absorb some of that lovely flavour. And then off with the lid, and we're going to have a little taste test. Well, my favourite part. Where should we go? There's so much of it. That'll do, we'll try that. Well, come on, make your mind up. Is it good or isn't it? Straight away, those flavours are truly amazing. I'm sure you would love this dish, and while we're at it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share. Check out my other videos. I'm sure there's a recipe in there that you'd love to make for yourself. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all again next time, guys, and bye for now.